Alright, so I wanted to just show you a before shot and after shot of the grill here. So I want to do a restoration of the grill. So this is the original version. This is still in the car. It's got a bit of pitting on it. We're just looking around. Got the nice old Rover emblem. And then we have these fins that go down here. See how we can get them up. Okay, so here's the finished grill. So what I did was I ended up taking it out. I pulled it all apart. The first thing I did was to just attack it with water and aluminium foil. And they got most of the corrosion off, but it still had a few stains on it. So I'm not getting any endorsement for this, but I ended up using the Metal Saver. Auto Sol it is. It's a stain remover, and I'll just show you the secret to this stuff here. If we can zoom in, it's hydrochloric acid basically. So if you've got raw hydrochloric acid at home, yeah, why not use that? But so it's come up pretty good. I ended up just polishing it with the Auto Sol metal polish. That's still a pretty good product. So just having a look, there's a little bit of a bump here. There was a dent here which I just ended up tapping out. It's a little bit rough, but from a distance you can't tell. And there's a little bit of a scratch in the chrome here, but other than that, these joins here came up okay. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to putting this back in the car.